Welcome to Adamjee Cellular. We are located in Naive, opposite the Madina supermarket, just close to the Quality Hotel. You get what I'm trying to say? Just close to the Quality Hotel. This is where to get the best iPhones in market with the best and well-tested rated prices. Come, I'll show you.
Adamjee, come to Adamjee Mobile.
Yes.
Adamjee. You need original
All
mobile.
well-tested stock. These are my African brothers. Everybody coming to patronize from us. We trust everybody. We trust, so we deal with in the quality phones. This is iPhone 12 Pro 512 GB. This is iPhone 12 Pro 128 GB. This is iPhone 12 Pro Max 256 GB. Well, original tested stock. In Adamjee Cellular, we deal with every model. Bro, come around. 11 Pro Max 256, well tested stock in Adamjee Cellular. 12 Pro Max, well tested stock in Adamjee Cellular. 12 simple 64 GB in Adamjee Cellular. I have variety of stocks right here. XS Max, XS XR, XR 64 128 GB. But here lies the case. Just come. This is what we call the man of the game. XR. You're telling me it's very hard to get XR, but in Adamjee Cellular, XR is provided to everybody. If you need XR, come. This is the battery health you need. 95 health battery. This is where what I'm talking about. XR. 95 health battery you need. I have it in Adamjee Cellular. What are you waiting for? I'm situated in Naive Market, Deira, opposite the Madina supermarket. Just tap my number and bro, let's do business. Business. I mean business. Thank you.